Register in the site from the link given in description. The site name is addoggy.com. After that, login in the site and now go to there, go to settings, now go to payments, now paste your Dogecoin address which is linked in Facet Pay micro wallet. And now paste your Dogecoin address here. Now after that click on save. Now your address is successfully saved. Now go to menu, go to dashboard, now see there I have 42 Dogecoins, minimum payout 50 Doge, so I need another some Dogecoins to take withdraw. Now I show you how to earn Dogecoins with the site. See there, when you complete 6 tasks that 10 PTC ads, 10 offer walls, 10 videos, 15 short links, 25 facets, 25 edge captcha, you will eligible to claim your daily bonus 10 Dogecoin. By completing tasks, you will get more than 10 Dogecoins, and finally you can collect 10 Doge daily bonus. So totally you can earn more than 20 Dogecoins by spending few minutes. Okay. Now I will show you how to earn. Click on PTC ads. These all are the ads. Just click on it and earn per 0.25 Doge for every ad. Click here and remove these ads and click on watch. Click on watch. Wait 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, go back. Now click on this symbol, leaf, select leaf. Now send. Now see there 0.25 Dogecoins credited. Now click on close. Now one ad is completed and do same with remaining all ads. Okay, click on other ad. Do same with all ads. So I skipped the video. This is my last ad, 10th ad. So now 10 ads is completed. You can earn more with remaining all ads. Okay. Now My 10 ads is completed. Now I going to back dashboard. See there, now my 10 ads is completed. Now go to offer walls and complete 10 offer walls. Okay, go to offer walls. Now go to click wall. Okay, now click on this ads and wait 10 seconds and earn free doggy. Okay, now I click on this ad. Now select the symbol which shows there and wait until this load is completed. After that, go back. In this way, do with all ads. Okay, now I skip the video. So this is the last ad. Okay, select a symbol. Now go back. So ads is completed. So now go to add click wall. Okay, you can earn with this also. This is also offer walls. Go there and now go to 3 lines from your browser. Enable desktop mode. Now select the symbol. Okay, wait until this load is completed. Now go back, do with. Now go to menu. See there, my 10 offer was also completed. Now go to video ads. See there, watch these videos until you get credited. Just 30 seconds video. Click here to play. Now watch video until you get credited. In this way you can watch all videos, minimum 10 videos to get daily bonus. If you want, you can see all videos. Now see there, it's credited. Now go back, and after you go back to, now click on another video and watch video until you get credited. In this way, see the videos and earn doggy coins. Now I skipped the video. This is my last video. This is my 10th video. See there, my 10th video is completed. Now go back to the dashboard. See there, my 10 videos is completed. Now complete 15 short links. Okay, click on short links. So these all are the short links. Complete any 10 short links. Okay, click on it. Just complete the short links. In this way, complete 10 short links minimum to get a daily bonus. So I skipped the video. So per every short link we will get 0.2 doggy coins. So this is my 10th short link. Very easy guys to earn doggy coins with this site. Don't miss it. Just by spending few minutes you will get more than 20 doggy coins daily. When you reach 50 doggy coin you can withdraw to your Dogecoin wallet or FaucetPay micro wallet. See there, my 10 short links completed. Go to menu. See there, my short links 15 completed. Okay, now facets and edge captcha. Before facet, go to edge captcha. Just solve 25 edge captchas, so the task will be completed. So no limit to solve edge captcha. You can complete 25 edge captchas one by one continuously. So one captcha is completed. This way complete 25 edge captchas. Okay, very simple and easy. easy. Now I skip the video. This is my last 25th edge captcha. My 25th edge captcha is completed. Okay, go to dashboard. See there, 25 edge captcha is completed. Now go to facet. Complete 25 facets. So you can complete this facet every 5 minutes, and by this facet you will get 0.1 doggy coins. See there, one facet is completed. I received 0.1 doggy, and after 5 minutes you can do the same. This way complete 25 facets. Now I completed 24 facets. Now I complete remaining one another facet. See there, my 25 captchas facets completed. Now go back to the dashboard. See there, my facets, all 6 tasks completed. Now we are eligible for take daily bonus 10 doggy. Okay, now I claim it. So now I have 51 doggy coins. Okay, now I claim my daily bonus 10 doggy. See there, I collected my daily bonus. Okay, now I have 61 doggy coins. Okay, 10 doggy added. Now I will doggy coins to my FirstAidPay wallet. Now go to withdraw. Now click here. Now select FirstAidPay and the transaction fee is 2%. Now enter your doggy coins which you want to withdraw. Now I enter 61 doggy coins. So check it and confirm. Now you will receive a security code to your email. Just check your email and copy the code, security code, and paste here and confirm. Go to mail. Now copy the security code, go to site, paste here and click on confirm. Now our withdrawal request is success. See there, automatic payout has been processed successfully. Now we received a confirmation mail from HotDoggy. See there, payouts accepted. Okay, now I show you the payment proof in my micro wallet. See there, 59.7 doggy coins received to my wallet. So guys, this is legit and very easy to earn. Don't miss it. Okay guys, thank you for watch this video.